Here we want to write the equation of a sine function that has the given characteristics. One characteristic is amplitude is 4. Another one is the period is 6 pi. And here, before we do the question, let's recall if you are given a function like this, y equals 3 times sine 2x, you will see the amplitude is actually the coefficient before sine. And what does this 2 play? The coefficient of x play. The coefficient is behind sine. Again, amplitude is the coefficient in front of sine, which is 3. This 2 will be used as a denominator to divide 2 pi. So the period for this function is always 2 pi divided by the coefficient in front of x and after sine, so which is pi. With this in our mind, here we are given amplitude 4, then the function here we should have a 4 here, and then should be sine. And this is the place to change the period times x. This number will be used as a denominator. What's the denominator right here? Now, you have a period is 6 pi. This 6 pi is gotten by 2 pi divided by question mark. We do not like a question mark. We say 6 pi has been gotten by 2 pi divided by t. This t is actually the question mark. Both sides multiplied by t, you cancel this t. So you have a 6 pi times t is 2 pi. Then divided by 6 pi, you cancel this 6 pi. You have a t stands alone on the left. Right hand side, you cancel these 2 pi upstairs, pi downstairs. You have a 2 over 6, which is 1/3. So really here is 1/3. So it sounds like this will be our choice. So actually, if you have a number here, 1/3, less than 1, you are going to make the period bigger from 2 pi to 6 pi. What does this mean in decimal? If you have a here, let's say is 4 sine x, then y equals 4 sine 1 divided by 3, and x is going to be like this. Let me show you the graph. So you can see here, for originally 4 sine x, the amplitude is 4. So here is 5, and here will be 4. That's for the blue one. Y equals 4 sine x. So will be like that. It's not going to change it, the period for 4 sine x. It only changes the amplitude from 1 to 4. Here is 0. Here is pi. Now 1 period. But for 1/3 x, the period is 6 pi. So it goes like that, red one. Starting from origin and goes here, going down and going up. it completes one period in the range from 0 to 6 pi. Okay, but for the original one, from 0 to 6 pi, it already completes 3 times period. You see, one period, another pattern, 2 pi over 4 pi, like this, and 4 pi over 6 pi, another same pattern. So for this one, it completes its period from 0 to, it completes 3 periods from 0 to 6 pi. But for this one, 1/3 x is just one period. Okay? All right. See you next time.